You ever have one of those days where everything feels heavy? Like no matter what you do, the world keeps throwing curveballs at you? You feel hopeless? Hope isn't found, it's created. And today, you are the artist of your own future. But here's the thing, hope isn't just some magical feeling that appears when things go right. It's something which we can build. And today, we are going to talk about exactly that. How to be hopeful when things look well and positive. Now, first things first, let's clear up a big myth. Hope isn't about ignoring reality. It's not about sitting around and waiting for things to happen. It's about taking action. It's about knowing that things can change and working towards that change. Hope is made up of three things: setting goals, believing we have the power to act, and shifting our mindset when things don't go as planned. Let's start with goals. Big goals are great, but it can be overwhelming. Instead, let's break them into smaller steps. Each small win reminds you that progress is possible. Like if you're struggling at work, instead of thinking, I have to be perfect, start with improving one skill each week. Next, people. You ever notice how being around certain people just lifts you up and others, well, they kind of drain you? Stick with hopeful ones. Stick with those who encourage you, who remind you that tough times don't last, and who help you pivot when things don't go as planned. When you feel stuck, look back. Think about a time you overcame something which you thought was impossible. I do this all the time. I'll ask myself, hey, remember that day when you thought you couldn't do it, but you did it. When I can do it then, I can do it now. Hope doesn't mean everything works our way. Sometimes things don't go our way, and that's okay. Hope means trying to adjust, pivot, and to try a new approach. Because giving up, that's not an option at all. Last but not least, celebrate every little win, every tiny step forward, because those little moments add up. It reminds us that progress is happening even when we don't see it. So my friends, if you're feeling low, remember this. Hope isn't something you wait for. It's something you build step by step, moment by moment. And I promise you've got this.